Hello, this is Amanda Ray. I just wanted to do this quick video just to introduce myself. I know it would be easy to just send a link like everyone else, but I want to give a little bit of background about where I'm from and how I'm looking to help as many people as possible earn a full-time income from home. I've been online since 2015, failed miserably. I was jumping around from one program to the next looking for a full-time income, and that didn't happen. So what I actually started to do was just basically learn about traffic generation, how to generate traffic. Of course, at first on a budget for free, because I have two children. I'm a single mom and I needed to do it on a budget. So I started to scale up my business just by using Facebook, and I generated some commissions and I started using that towards traffic. So what I teach is people how to basically leverage the opportunity that I'm in using cold traffic, people that don't know anything about you. I didn't start off with a list. I didn't have a huge following. I didn't have a huge budget for traffic. So I did what I can afford to do, and that has taken me a long way. I was able to bring in $30,000 from one business within 3.5 months, and I currently earn 6 figures from home using online marketing and teaching other people how to use those strategies. So what I want to explain is just that I'm not in this alone. And in order for me to do this, I have to have a team, and my team has to be producing results in order for me to earn a full-time income. I'm going to say it again. My team has to produce results in order for me to earn a full-time income. So I am extremely honored, and I'm also extremely passionate about what I do, because if I can help other people to earn a full-time income, it's going to just bring me closer and closer to the amount that I really want to earn. Okay, so I'm going to just show you a little bit about the opportunity. Is called the Power Lead System, and we get paid every single week. It's a done-for-you funnel. It's pretty much set up and ready to go within like 30 minutes. You can either pay to have it done, or you can do it yourself. If you come in as a diamond or platinum or MTI member, it's going to be done for you. I complete the funnels for my whole team. I'm in my office. This is what I basically do for a portion of the day. So as a diamond member, you pay $147 one time. You get unlimited $100 commissions. As a platinum member, you pay $497 one time. You get unlimited $400 commissions. And for the MTI level, you pay $1497. Yeah, $1,497 one time, and you get unlimited $1,000 commissions. Okay, as a gold member, it's a monthly payment of $53, and you're going to get unlimited $20 residual commissions for each person that comes into your downline. So what I'm going to do is show you a couple of things about the system. It's easy to set up. It's very newbie friendly, and it's easy to start earning commissions with this program. Okay, so at the gold level, you have to pretty much do everything yourself. Like I said, the diamond, platinum, MTI level, you get it done for you. I take my time to make sure the funnel is set up correctly for you to start generating commissions pretty much right away. Now, looking at my back office, my Gmail account first. We are going to get emails every time somebody comes in as a gold member, platinum member, MTI member, whatever. However they come in, you're going to get a notification, okay? And this is the traffic that I teach people how to generate to earn these commissions. So here I have 7 gold members. That's $20 times 7. What is that? $140 in commissions. I have a gold member here, a PLS customer here. These gold members, 6 people at $20 a piece. That's another $120. You're going to get a lot of gold members that's going to come through. Okay, and then you're going to start upgrading them, and they're going to be diamond members and platinum members. So every time you get a fast start bonus, that's a $400 commission. A diamond member is a $100 commission. So I had 2 on this day, that's $200. A fast start on a 12th, that's $400. Okay, and you know, you're going to get a lot of these fast start bonuses, diamond members, gold members coming through your funnel, and they're going to add up to a full-time income. Now, most people want to know, how long does it take? It depends on how much time you have towards your business. If you have about 1 hour to 2 hours a day, 4 to 5 times a week, you can get this going pretty quickly. Okay, I'm talking about 3 to 6 months tops earning commissions consistently every single day, adding up to full-time income. If you need $500 over to $2,000 a week, you can do it fast with this program. I've been with the Power Lead system since September of 2017, and I've been doing really well with it right from the beginning. So I'm going to just show you proof of that, because, you know, action speaks louder than words. I like to show proof that the system works, because a lot of people can say one thing and maybe doing something totally different. So this is my account, Amanda A. Ray. That's my name. This is my savings account. This is the account that I get paid through, from the Power Lead system. They pay every single Wednesday. You can get a direct deposit, or you can get it put on a debit card. Okay, so those are two ways that they will pay you. So I'm going to just put in Priceless Possibilities is the name of it. And these are people that pay me every single week. They've been around for over 8 years, paying out faithfully every single week on Wednesdays, like clockwork. You don't have to worry about waking up and the system is gone, okay? So, you know, going down to September when I first started, as you can see, in October, I started gaining commissions, building momentum, just driving cold traffic, again, not with the list or anything like that, just cold traffic. People from Facebook and people from solo ad vendors. I purchase clicks and just have people look at the information, and then they decide whether or not they want to get involved. So here, 247, 249, 506, 1599, 810, 879, 908, 1301. These are all of the commissions I've been getting every single week from this company, okay? 1301, February 2nd, $5,556. 1693, 1983, 2439, for a $4,500 commission just the end of March. In April, almost $8,000 in commissions just last month, and so far this month over $5,500 in commissions. Okay, so this just goes to show you that it works. Again, this is my account, that's my name, and these are the commissions that I'm bringing in using this Done For You system. Okay, so it just goes to show you what's possible. If you sign up with me, I'm going to help you get started. If you're successful, I'll be even more successful, because you make money off of the people that you bring in. When you start running traffic and you start to get commissions coming in, I get a percentage of that. And the same thing is going to happen for you when you have people come in. Not only for my direct team do I set up their funnel for them, I will also do it for your team. So when your team starts producing and you start to get diamond and platinum members, I will also set up their funnel as well. Okay, so this is a win-win situation. I mean, extremely newbie friendly. It's been around forever, and it's consistent. Okay, this opportunity has helped me to live the life that I want, travel, spend more time with my children, homeschool them. I don't have to punch a clock. Okay, and I'm just trying to inspire others to do the same. I want people to know that they don't have to live check to check. They don't have to punch a clock if you really don't want to. If you dedicate an hour to 2 a day, 4 to 5 days a week, you can see success with this program. So if you click on the description, you'll see my link to get started. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I am available. Okay, so thanks so much for viewing the video, and have a great day.